Today, we delve into the shadows of history to reveal the most devastating disasters ever recorded. From nature's wrath to human error, these events left scars that time cannot erase. Join us as we uncover the chilling details of these monumental tragedies. Let's start the video. Number 1. The 1556 Shanxi Earthquake, China. The 1556 Shanxi earthquake is considered the deadliest earthquake in recorded history. Occurring on January 23, 1556, in the early morning hours, it struck the region of Jiaxing in China. Estimated to have reached a magnitude of 8.0, the earthquake caused massive destruction, with the most significant damage occurring in the ancient city of Huabei. The quake led to the collapse of homes, and the subsequent landslides buried entire villages. Reports suggest that approximately 830,000 people lost their lives due to the earthquake and its after-effects, including the collapse of homes and landslides. The disaster had a profound impact on the region, resulting in long-term changes to the local infrastructure and population distribution. Number 2. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora, Indonesia. The eruption of Mount Tambora in April 1815 was one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in recorded history. Located on the island of Sumbawa in Indonesia, the eruption ejected an enormous volume of volcanic material into the atmosphere, leading to significant climatic disruptions worldwide. The immediate aftermath saw the death of tens of thousands due to pyroclastic flows and ashfall. The eruption's effects extended beyond the immediate region, causing global temperature drops and resulting in the Year Without a Summer in 1816. This led to widespread crop failures, famine, and an estimated 71,000 deaths. The eruption is often cited as a case study in the far-reaching impacts of volcanic activity on global climate and agriculture. Number 3. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. On December 26, 2004, a massive undersea earthquake with a magnitude of 9.3 struck off the west coast of northern Sumatra, Indonesia. This powerful quake triggered a series of devastating tsunamis that affected coastal regions across the Indian Ocean. The waves, some reaching heights of over 30 meters, struck countries including Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, and others. The tsunamis resulted in the deaths of more than 230,000 people, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters of the 21st century. The disaster caused widespread destruction of infrastructure, homes, and livelihoods, leading to a significant humanitarian crisis and extensive international relief efforts. Number 4. The Chernobyl nuclear disaster, 1986, Ukraine. The Chernobyl disaster, which occurred on April 26, 1986, at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant near Pripyat, Ukraine, is regarded as the worst nuclear power plant accident in history. A sudden power drop during a late-night safety test led to a catastrophic explosion and fire in Reactor 4, releasing large quantities of radioactive particles into the atmosphere. The immediate aftermath saw the deaths of 2 plant workers and acute radiation syndrome in 28 emergency responders and plant operators. Over the following years, thousands of cases of cancer and other health issues have been attributed to the radiation exposure. The disaster led to the evacuation of approximately 115,000 people from the surrounding area and left a lasting legacy of environmental contamination and health problems. Number 5. The Titanic sinking, 1912. The RMS Titanic, deemed unsinkable, struck an iceberg on April 15, 1912, during its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York. The collision caused the ship to sink in the early hours of the morning, resulting in the deaths of more than 1,500 passengers and crew. The tragedy highlighted critical issues in maritime safety, such as insufficient lifeboats for the number of passengers and inadequate iceberg warning systems. The disaster led to significant changes in maritime regulations, including improved safety protocols and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol to monitor iceberg dangers in the North Atlantic. Number 6. The Great Chinese Famine. The Great Chinese Famine was a devastating period of mass starvation in the People's Republic of China from 1959 to 1961. The famine resulted from a combination of socio-political factors, including the Great Leap Forward, a campaign led by Mao Zedong aimed at rapidly industrializing China through collective farming and large-scale agricultural projects. Poor planning, forced collectivization, and adverse weather conditions led to widespread crop failures and food shortages. The famine resulted in the deaths of an estimated 15 to 45 million people due to starvation, malnutrition, and related diseases. It had a profound impact on Chinese society and policy, leading to significant changes in agricultural practices and government strategies. If you enjoyed this deep dive into these harrowing events, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.